Today we're going to be doing Dulce De Leche, and I have to mention that Dulce De Leche can be made in so many different ways. You can make it on your stove, you can make it in your oven, you can make it in the microwave. On top of that, you can use fresh whole milk, or you can also use condensed milk. That's the one that I will be making, so let's go ahead and see how it looks. And here we have it, our cajeta or dulce de leche that turned out perfect. I hope you guys can make this recipe. One little detail that I do have to give you is that once you get it out of the can, you have to whisk it. Otherwise, you will not get this silky consistency. When it comes out of the can, it's like, looks like gelatin, okay? So whisk it, it turns out silky. Very simple. With this, I say bye, and I'll see you on the next one.